Hello there. Today we are going to look into the common web technologies protocol used in agent-to-agent protocol mechanism. We use mainly HTTP protocol and remote procedure call technologies in agent-to-agent protocols. And all these requests has to be in the JSON-RPC format for the request and response message handshaking. And all the HTTP post or all the web requests which shared between client and remote agent should have a JSON RPC format. And all the methods are using HTTP post request with an encrypted body message for better security. But the request should be in the JSON RPC request format, and the response from the remote or task execution agent is from JSON RPC response format. And we use servers and events. It's a special type of HTTP protocol implementation used for streaming or long running tasks. It's an easy to implement technology, but it is not secured one. Since it is an easy to implement technology, that's the reason we use it for agent to agent communication. So securing this is a duty of a developer or the enterprise who is implementing this particular stream, and it is used in the methods like send, subscribe, and resubscribe methods. And it's used for real-time streaming or long-running tasks for status update of the task, also artifacts updates, because in the long-running task the output of the task is shared between incremental batches. So each batch of the output is shared in this send subscribe method outcome. Another type of common communication is push notification, and push notification is used for asynchronous, because if it's a long running job is executed in the remote client, then the server or the remote agent is inform the local client using this push notification, so that the local client then communicate to the server to get the result of the task. And usually we use webhooks or other messaging system, whatever be the preferred implementation method for the client agent. Now let's have a recap of this all the A2A communication methods. So we use mainly HTTP post protocol for normal synchronous task like send, get, cancel, and we use the server send events and HTTP post for long running task methods like send, subscribe, and resubscribe methods. But if you look here, the send, subscribe, and resubscribe using both HTTP post and SSE. This is because one reason is SSE is implemented using HTTP protocol. Another reason is the client has to initiate the first task to the remote agent using a task sender method which go through the HTTP. Once the task is long running task, then the server executing or server will initiate a connection, a long running connection using the server send events method. So that's why the long running task will usually have two type of web technologies used in combined. So see you in another video. Bye.